Hello, welcome back to the channel. Yes, your girl is about to take you guys on another journey. Yes, we are going on another journey, and this time around, I am going to be documenting everything. So, guys, I am starting a new business. This business, I am very sure, is going to inspire other people, other mothers, other people who wants to work from home, who needs an extra hustle, money. This is going to be one of the content that we are going to be creating on this platform. Yes, I know that this platform is all about hair and body products, but now we are changing the narrative, we are changing the game, because we want to create multiple streams of income. And if we want to create multiple streams of income, then we have to come up with ideas, business ideas that will bring us money from our home. And for me, I want to go into active and passive income, and I want to work from home. So this is one of the businesses that I am introducing to you. There are other ones that I'm doing that are making me money, or that are actually bringing in income for me. As I said, I am building multiple streams of income. So I will be sharing with you these businesses, and one of them is personalized, print on demand from home. Yes, we have different types of print on demand, and I'm going to be sharing all these things with you on the platform. But right now, what you are seeing here is one of the dreams that came true for me. From January this year, I didn't know that I will be buying this machine. All I wanted was just to, work as a print on demand company, whereby a supplier will do everything for me. But getting into the business, I realized that there's a lot of money in here, and I need to cash those money out. And one of the things that I could do for myself to be able to cash much of this money is to invest in myself and to do some of the printing from home. So the first thing that came into my mind, or the first thing that I need for this business, is heat print machine, or press machine. And that's what you're seeing here on your screen. I just got it, and I want to unbox it. I want to also document every step out of the way, so that tomorrow when I'm looking at myself, I would know where I was coming from and where I am at that moment. So you are going to be seeing more of this video. Why am I doing this video? Is to encourage somebody, is to inspire somebody, is to bring somebody's mind to, some of the things that we could do from home and make money. We don't have to go out of our homes to make money. That's what I've learned within the 6 months. From December last year to now June, I've realized that I could sleep and make money. I could make money from home. I don't have to go out of my door, and that is working for me. So I will be sharing all this with you. You can see your girl is so excited. So this heat press machine is 8 in 1. Yes, these are all the things that came with the machine, and this you can use for plates, you can use for your cup, you can use for your mugs, you can use for your t-shirts, and any flat thing that has a polyester or cotton. You can use this to print. I will see you in my next video.